Volcanic lightning occurs when particles of ash, water vapor, and gas rub against each other, creating an incredible spectacle as lightning forms within the volcanic cloud. Welcome to your daily dose of enlightenment. You've landed on Knowledge Planet, where curiosity thrives and the enigmatic is revealed daily. We delve into a variety of topics to amaze you. Dear viewers, today we'll discuss how lightning is triggered. I hope that with this video, you'll see lightning in a different light. How are lightning bolts formed? Science doesn't yet have detailed answers on which everyone agrees, but we certainly understand the basic principles. Lightning is essentially electrical discharges generated by differences in charge concentrations. To generate lightning, we need thunderclouds, known as cumulonimbus clouds, and an electrical charge difference. Clouds are composed of small water droplets, ice particles, and various other particles. Thanks to convective air movements, these cloud particles rub against each other, generating friction and creating zones with positive and negative charges inside the cloud. Negative charges tend to concentrate in the middle to lower part of the cloud, inducing the adjacent Earth's surface or a neighboring cloud to become positively charged. This creates an electric field. These opposite charges, whether within the same cloud, between two clouds, or between a cloud and the Earth, want to touch because opposites attract. However, they are kept apart by the surrounding area, acting as a barrier. When the charge differences become too large, the barrier can no longer isolate the positive and negative charges, and they need to make love, as they say. This electrical discharge ionizes the surrounding area, creating free electrons and positive ions, forming a column of ionized gas known as plasma. So, do lightning bolts start from the top or bottom? Are they all the same? First, let's distinguish between intracloud and cloud-to-ground lightning. Intracloud lightning occurs within a single cloud or between multiple clouds and does not reach the ground. Cloud-to-ground lightning, on the other hand, connects clouds to the ground. There's also a distinction between positive and negative lightning. Positive or negative does not refer to the direction of propagation, but to the flow of charges. Negative lightning occurs when negative charges move, while positive lightning occurs when positive charges move. Negative lightning is more common, with negative charges typically moving from top to bottom. However, there are also upward lightning strikes that start from the ground and move upward. The lightning we see is not a single discharge, but rather a series of rapid, repeated discharges. Let's take an example of negative lightning from cloud to ground. 1. The initial discharge, called the leader, starts from the cloud and branches downward in a zigzag pattern, attracting positive charges from the ground. 2. Positive charges form a second discharge, called the streamer, that rises from the ground. 3. When the leader and streamer meet, the lightning strike occurs. The discharge is so powerful that it can reach hundreds of millions of volts and temperatures close to 28,000 degrees Celsius. That's when thunder occurs. The rapidly heated air expands and propagates with an immense sound audible for kilometers. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about lightning and answer frequently asked questions. How many times can a person be struck by lightning? A man named Roy Cleveland Sullivan was struck by lightning 7 times in his life, surviving each strike. He was dubbed the human lightning rod and even made it into the Guinness World Records. If you want to track lightning storms in real time, there are websites available where you can monitor lightning activity worldwide. The most lightning-prone place on Earth is Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, where lightning strikes occur on average 300 days a year. Lastly, let's talk about volcanic lightning. This phenomenon is still being studied, but it seems to occur mainly during explosive eruptions. When volcanic ash, water vapor, and gas particles are violently expelled during these eruptions, they rub against each other, creating positive and negative charges and generating lightning bolts within the volcanic cloud. We hope we've provided you with a key understanding of how lightning forms. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. We'll see you in the next video, right here on Knowledge Planet, the power of knowledge. Don't forget to watch the previous episodes and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Consider us more than just a channel. we're a growing community, a family of knowledge seekers. We're on a mission, inviting you to join our growing family. We need you. Subscribe, become part of our community, share your thoughts, interact with us. A like or even dislike all count. Stay tuned, stay curious, and together we'll continue to explore the vast expanse of Knowledge Planet.